Hello, good day or morning greetings wherever you are around this globe. My name is Maurice Seneng Joseph. I'm from Papua New Guinea. I am a social worker. So recently I've joined International Youth Alliance of Peace training on child protection and rights. So during the first session on Monday, we have learned very interesting facts through the facilitators, moderators, and the presentation done by facilitator Benjamin. It's quite interesting. Learned new ideas, concepts on how to address child rights and protection, like connecting to my country, which is Papua New Guinea. Yeah. The overall training or session carried out by Benjamin, it was interesting, and I did learn some new concepts, and during the session the audio was playing up, but overall the presentation was effective, and yes, appreciate. Thank you for being part of this group and International Youth Alliance of Peace, and looking forward to learn new ideas and concepts, how I can align and implement those programs back in my country, Papua New Guinea. We did, you all have a great Saturday week out there.